Hi guys, welcome to HTR and you are watching Hashtag Reviews. Nokia. If you have born in between 1980 and 1990s, your first phone must be a Nokia. But Nokia lost its credibility in 2007. That's when Apple has released their first Apple iPhone 1. But Nokia didn't took it seriously. The transition from feature phone to smartphone, but that is when the Nokia started downfall. But Nokia had a great history of their budget phones with high durability with great specifications. Now Nokia is coming back again in recent years. Of course, earlier it was Nokia, then it was acquired by Microsoft, and they have released with Microsoft Lumia brand. But later, after Satya Nadella took over Microsoft, he sold to HMD Global. Now Nokia is owned by HMD Global. But whatever it may be, the Nokia brand is still continuing. That is what the recall value of a brand. Recall value means if we hear any name, then we suddenly recognize that brand. In those brands, Nokia will be there. Right now, the reason why I'm telling these stories is that Nokia is coming back with great specifications now in smartphone segment also. And one of the best budget phones I have ever reviewed in recent months is Nokia G42, which is available just 9,999 rupees. That too 5G phone. Let's look into the details. Nokia G42 5G comes with 16.5 centimeters height, 7.6 centimeters in width, and thickness is just 0.9 centimeters. And it weighs just 194 grams, which will make you a very lightweight. And because of this thickness, very thin 0.9 centimeters, it can be holded with one hand and you can operate it seamlessly. Nokia G42 comes with 5000 mAh battery, and the best part is it is giving 20-watt fast charger including the box. Backside is a plastic panel and it has got three colors, that is SU purple, SU pink and SU grey. I don't know what the meaning of SU, but those are the names. And it has got this shiny back material which is a plastic one, and around the corners also this looks like a metal, but this is also a plastic frame. And on the right side you will have a fingerprint and volume rockers and on and off buttons along with fingerprinters. There is no on-screen fingerprint unlock, and at the bottom you will find one speaker and Type-C cable and a mic. And the best part is it is giving 3.5 mm jack. Obviously you don't get these 3.5 mm jacks in high end phones, but only budget phones will have this. And coming to front end, it is Corning Gorilla Glass 3, which is very hard and steady, and smoothness is 90 Hz refresh rate, which is very good given the budget of 9,999, which is below 10,000 rupees. That too a 5G phone. And on the back side you have got three cameras: 50 megapixel primary camera and 2 megapixel depth camera, 2 megapixel telephoto. With the given budget, the quality of the images are very sharp. And also when we talk about budget phone, the first thing comes to our mind is that what about the heat management? I can assure you, I have played games when the battery was 5%. That is where I test. When the battery is very low, I play games. Heat management is excellent. There is no such heat produced even that low battery. And also, as this is a 5000 mAh battery, and the battery charge will last up to 1 day fully, and you will still left with some battery. But as Nokia claims up to 3 days of battery, I don't know on what parameters, but it is a 1 day full battery, but you will still left with some battery. It comes with Snapdragon 480 plus 5G processor, and it's released with Android 13, and two Android OS upgrades are free, that is 14 and 15, and 3 years of security updates you will also get along with this. So this is IP52. A little bit of splash and dust protection you will get, but don't expect you can enjoy this phone in a heavy range. It will damage, so be cautious. This is only IP52 rated, and the best part is the 20-watt fast charger is included in the box. It is a dual SIM phone, but it is a hybrid SIM slot. Either you can have a second SIM or micro SD slot. There is no dedicated micro SD, and you can expandable up to 1 TB. Though this is a 90 Hz refresh rate, but you don't feel that 90 Hz is smooth lacking, but it is a very good, I can't say it is super smoothie, butter smoothie, but for regular purpose, this is very good. Overall, if you ask me my personal recommendation, if you are looking for a 5G phone with a budgeted phone, I would recommend this phone. Forget about all those other phones. 5G phones under 10,000 rupees, you can take it, no issues. 5000 mAh battery, better heat management, 50 megapixel AI camera, IP52 rated, 3.5 mm jack. What else you need in this budget phones? There is no doubt you must consider if you are buying a budget phone. Especially you can bang on the Nokia brand. And also, if you are the person you would like to read more, there is a link in the description box. We have a dedicated blog, technical blog. You can read there. And if you want to buy, you can buy from the link given below. And also, please share your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.